Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate Tabby Card. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate Tabby Card for online shopping. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the Tabby app on your phone and sign in. Now on the home dashboard, you will see your available spending limit and a Tabby Card section. So just scroll down and tap on the Tabby Card banner to access your virtual card settings. Next is you will see your virtual Visa Platinum card. So the card number, the CVV, and the expiry date. They are hidden for security until you activate online payments. So just tap the mint green activate card button at the bottom of the screen to begin. Next is toggle the online payments on to allow your Tabby card to be used on website and applications. So you can also enable international payments if you shop outside your home country. You can also set your preferred spending limit using the slider. So this caps daily online spend for safety. Next is Tabby will send a four-digit verification code to your registered mobile number. So just type it into four input boxes and tap verify. Now, this security step protects your card from being activated by anyone else but you. Lastly, is your debit card is now ready, so the full number, expiry date, and CVV are revealed. So just tap copy card details to paste them at checkout on any website that accepts Visa. And just remember that every purchase still splits into four interest-free payments. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.